1,000. Since December 1st, 2008, I've been goofing around, I've been vlogging, I've been talking about movies, I've been documenting my travels, my life, all of my adventures, and here we are nearly 18 years later, my 1,000th video. And what better circumstance to celebrate my 1,000th video than to attend a film premiere for an independent film that I act in that is also serving as a cancer benefit for the American Cancer Society. See, last summer in July, I was in Sweden for the Malmö Melodic Rock Festival. One night around 2 a.m. while I was in my hotel room, I got an email from a woman named Mary Jo Carlson, who had seen me in another independent film that she was involved with called The Bludgeoner. And she basically said, hey, I'm working with this guy, we've got this script, we're putting an independent feature film together, we want you to play Liam. And I'm like, okay, do you have more information? And this was for a script called Strand 45. So, long story short, the film went into production, it got made, it was shot between September and November 2025. Today's date is March 28th, 2026, and we have our world premiere red carpet gala for Strand 45 happening at the Gorton Center in Lake Forest, Illinois, which is a little bit of a hike northward, but it's the fruits of our labor. We're giving back to cancer. I've lost several relatives to cancer, including my Uncle Bill, Grandma Rosie, Grandpa Richie, and so it's for a good cause. It's for an independently made feature film that we all put our heart and soul in. So let's hope this is a good night. Let's hope for a good turnout. And here we go to the premiere of Strand 45. Yeah, it's like props from the movie and stuff. So, John and Nancy Hughes Theater. We're with the School of Irish Dance, Men's Bible Study, Tai Chi, and violin with Donna Kerr. What the selection we got? Anyways, here we go. Number 1,000 on the red carpet. These are props, the silent auction for Strand 45 props.
I can't make this up. One of the scenes that we did was a beach that no one really knows about. That I could say Zion.
Zion.
It's a hidden area.
Yeah,
So I would go out there.
name.
Yeah, I'd go out there to the beach by myself and just meditate thing. And the thing, 2 years later, I filmed the scene right there.
It's
And
it's
I
all
was
like,
what?
Hey, Rory, give us a nice flash of your shirt for the vlog I'm doing here. There he is,
There,
right
my
there.
man Ken / Liam.
This is the man Chris right there. He's a very misunderstood character. They're gonna want you to hate this man, but you can't. He's very misunderstood.
He's too kind.
Arguably, he's the heart and soul of alongside his sidekick right here.
Yes.
I mean,
Right there,
I knew the man well, actually. 007, how are you?
again, two very misunderstood
You
gentlemen.
guys can, I can show
Who
you.
walked in? Hey, can we take a picture with the poster?
There we go with our two fine comedians right here, doing our world premiere Strand 45.
Wait, get your head in. Get your head in. There you go.
There we go. My bludgeoner co-star that made it out here, Tracy. There we go, from me and Mary Jo. Well, it's great that you're here, Tracy.
I'm excited to see
Exciting. I'm so grateful that you're all able to be here with us tonight for a VIP screening of a very special film. I want to thank all of you for being here and joining us in this purpose. Cancer affects everyone. How many people in this room have been affected by cancer in their life? I stand here a cancer survivor, so I completely understand and have a whole other level of gratitude for you being here and in these seats and joining us for this cause. I have such immense amount of gratitude, and I just can't say enough about the amazing cast and crew that put this passion project together so perfectly, and I'm so excited that tonight I'm going to experience it with you for the first time. We're all, yes, I love this already. We're getting hyped up, yes.
Guys, give it up for Randy again for story. On behalf of American Cancer Society, I first just want to start by saying how grateful we are to be partnered here and for your support tonight. As Randy said, our mission is to end cancer as we know it for everyone. We do this through advocacy, through research, and through supporting patients and caregivers at every step of their cancer journey. Cancer is not just a diagnosis, it's an experience that impacts individuals, caregivers, families, and entire communities. Other ways that we support cancer is through funding groundbreaking research, through providing free rides and transportation for those in their cancer journey that need transportation to cancer treatments, and especially just supporting, like Randy said, every single step of the cancer journey for those who need it. We believe that to end cancer as we know it for everyone is a marathon. With our experience in research and treatment, we have come a long, long way, and we truly feel like we're in those final miles. So thank you all for being here to get us over the finish line and for supporting the critical work of the American Cancer Society. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, Emily. Tonight, I am honored to have the director of the movie, Mary Jo Carlson, lead actors Caitlin Stack, Ryan Rydell, and Rory Hamill in attendance. And the director will be kicking off our viewing this evening. But
it has come to mean more to me as the year has gone on. It's a fantastic film. I have been blessed with wonderful actors, a wonderful crew, and a great story to tell. So, with further ado, Strand 45 is a passion project, as Randy mentioned. Everybody involved in this, we feel it deeply. We've all been affected some way or another, and we're so happy that you were here tonight, that you can help support us and help support the Cancer Society. So thank you, sit back, and enjoy the film.
hope people picked up on that might not be obvious at first glance.
I think it's a support system. Once they find out that there's something wrong or there's a cure, there's always people that are around you that'll support you. I think that's the whole thing about it is support. You've got Jules, who lost both parents. She has Ben that supports her, so I think it's support.
That's fantastic, and you're so right. I mean, I had the experience whenever I was diagnosed with cancer, and I don't know if any of you have experienced that or had people in your lives, but it's so important to, in anything in life, to just really have people around you that are going to stand up with you and stand up for you. It's very important. Caitlin, was there a scene that was harder to feel than it was to perform?
No, I would say no, I don't think so. I very much live truthfully under imaginary circumstances. There were definitely scenes that hit closer to home, sure.
Oh, that's one that had to hit home. Ryan, after watching that performance back, is there a moment you're most proud of or one that still hits you emotionally?
Yes, but before we go there, this woman here, the scene where she lost her mother, it was an incredibly rough scene to film because of the angles that you have, the moment that she's dealing with, and she fucking killed it.
Yeah, that's why I was like, that made me think of this. Yeah, absolutely.
I got the first team with you guys.
It did.
And then I just did a lot of
Graph Strand 45 poster.
Yeah, I had double names, but that was the only thing I didn't. Yeah,
No, I thought the pacing was great.
I tried to trim it a little bit.
That's a sports autograph. I like that.
There we go. You know what's really weird and interesting about this vlog? So, you know, I'm always doing these vlogs and everything. You know I've got my channel.
I mean, you got this factor.
This is my 1,000th video that's going on my channel, is this premiere.
No way.
1,000. This is my 1,000th tonight.
This is an honor. This guy's a star right here. A star. Watch him. He's a star. Or I'll come for you.
Don't piss off Chris.
With her, it was more.
There you go, dude. Did you do it?
Yep, I got that one.
Did Tanky do it? Tanky Poo, can you sign me?
Yes.
See, now the autographs are non-stop now, Tank.
Oh wait, video.
Hit it, Jake.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
My name's Tarek, and I'm super excited, blessed, and honored to sign my first own signature autograph on the movie that I'm in.
Do it.
There he is. Yeah.
Just once.
There you go.
Nice.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
There we go.
Thank you.
Tank.
Thank you. Thank you.
Here, let me see your tag.
Tank, you didn't get a.
There we go.
Are you selling ice cream?
Yeah.
This makes you look like the world's biggest Strand 45 fan. You're standing here, you've got two posters.
I've got two. I've got one signed by every member of the cast. So yeah, I think I am the biggest Strand 45 member fan.
And that includes the legendary Tank.
Oh, thank you so much, guys.
Oh, yeah, I'm there too, but don't worry about it.
Okay.
Praise the Lord.
So we're done. I shouldn't have an issue.
Oh, dude, it happened. I lost one of the
11 when you get an elevator, okay?
Yeah, sorry, guys. Not sorry.
VIP.
Take the stairs.
I do. VIP first.
Up 11 floors.
Yeah, they gotta take it the stairs. The hell with that.
Okay, that's what I want.
It's so weird that you on the phone when you got your paperwork.
Oh.
Come on now.
I know, our infamous hallway.
Yeah.
Starts red. Looks like our green room. Oh, cool. There's your lab.
This is the green room.
This is the green room.
That's a CW.
Oh, okay.
You know?
Yeah. And yeah, I don't know. It was interesting. That was my first time working with CW, and the only time I worked with them in all honesty.
Where's that?
That's all the way in right
I
there.
wondered about how many of these you
another
want
way?
in here.
I'm serious. I think you should tell them. I'm not gonna ask for like money or anything, but like, you know, take me here. Hey, introduce me to this person.
Let's go play a game of catch.
Yes, let's play catch.
Oh.
Throw me the football. Okay?
Yeah, I can
No.
see you.
You know, I'm tired of this. I really am. This is getting too much.
Oh, you're about to get
I'm
your
getting
ass
like,
kicked.
What? It was locked. I swear it was locked. If we go over
As
there,
I saw that hand.
yeah, my hand was here. I will say my hand was here.
You were holding it.
No, my hand was here. It was here. I will say that. It was here.
Okay.
But not in the door.
All right.
Cameras? Cameras?
Good. And for the outside stuff, 19 and 36. Just to,
Also hit Ryan's. He's gonna bring the BMW tomorrow.
okay.
His putting stuff in his trunk and also him getting out of the car.
Okay, we'll get
So
that
that's
one.
Good fucking throw. Like I literally didn't even see it in the air. I couldn't trace where it was.
I just saw the one that she dropped, and I thought she like.
You found the important one, the real one.
I thought she just mimed it. I didn't realize she threw the other one.
She heaved it.
Toss it that
It was
far.
so, like I said, so fast. I couldn't visually see it in there. Did you see it in there?
No, like I said, I thought
Yellow
she just.
gold single solitaire round.
Okay.
I saw you holding it in the back seat. Oh, here it is.
There it is. Got it.
I found it first, you dick.
No, I saw it. You just got to it first. Asshole. Call me a dick.